Hey guys, and welcome to a new series called Game Night. It's Game Night, and it is a Payday / Clash of Clans series. Well, it seems like and then we'll go to Payday after this. I'm going to show you my new thing. My new clan, and the new clan is A Destroyers. They currently have 14, and you have the leader, well, not the leader, the co-leader, he has a bunch of trophies, and he's very good, so just so you know.
Except he's a farmer.
Yes, he's a farmer, I just wanted to say all that, and now, let's go to Payday. Now, Payday is a very cool game. My dogs. I tried to make another video before this, but for some reason it is upside down on shell recording, so, you know, I'm not quite sure what this one will make. I hope it does good, because I know it's been a while since I did one video. Well, I just wanted to show y'all both of those, and remember the series called Game Night. Now, I have to tell y'all, I'm sorry, that I know this was a short video, but it was just to show y'all about my new series introduction, and so, have a good night. Game night.